Okay, so guys, I created a huge forest figure, right? I made it in Clink 3.0. And yes, this is still a sample that I created. And this is what I'm going to teach you today. The last one, Seedance 2.0. Okay, the video at the start, I've already taught that. Okay, so there it is.
Okay, so this, guys, is the Higsfield AI that I use when it comes to Seedance 2.0 and the Clink 3.0. This is what I use. So now, on this platform, I will share with you what exactly this is, what this platform offers, and what this platform can do that we are sharing, okay? So here, you can see there's the Marketing Studio, Seedance 2.0, and you can see Higgsfield. And here, Cinema Studio 3.0. So on their platform, from the very start, you can already see what they have created, right? They really show their output from the very beginning, how creative their platform is, okay? So if you like this platform, I will just share it in the comments or in our description if you just want, okay? So here, there's a paid option. We have a subscriber. If you want to subscribe, you can. You can use the platform. Later, we will talk about the subscriber for this platform, okay? So here at the top, you can see you have a menu here. So for video, it will create a video. You just choose Seedance if you're using Seedance, and you just choose Clink 3.0 if you're using Clink 3.0. So for me, I suggest Seedance and Clink because this is what I use, okay? So before we continue, I just have a few reminders to tell you.
Okay, so here at the bottom, near their bottom section, what we can see is if you're going to create an image, it's like a demo they're showing here. And here at the bottom, these are the products, okay? So the products, if you want to sell them on, TikTok, this is popular these days, this kind of marketing, but you have to use it in the right way, not in, just any way, okay? So if you're a business user, a businessman, or a businesswoman, and you like to sell your products, then this is what you can use when it comes to, this platform. If you want to earn from, your business products. Okay, so here, this is called Seedance Pro. This is where you create movie films or AI editing, the movies that I share on this channel. Okay, so this is called Seedance Pro or Seedance 2.0. This is called Seedance 2.0. You create a scene. You just upload your picture and you will get these kinds of movies. So just a picture. And then you put a prompt, and you can get a movie. Later, we will test one. We're still here in the explanation, okay? So later, we will test one, so I can show you. Okay, so here, you can see they have a short-term series, right? So what's great about this platform is, here, you can actually watch your own movie. They show that this is how creative their platform is, okay? So there it is. And let's start. How exactly do we make a Seedance 2.0? That's our topic. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so here, video. Just click on Seedance 2.0. Okay, so here as we can see, they have a sample, but it's just a guide, just a guide for what you want to do in your own YouTube. Once you've got your picture in place, just paste the prompt here. You can adjust it if needed, like changing the language or specifics. Then select Seedance 2.0, set it to 15 seconds for your reels, choose 165 credits, and then you can generate your video. And that will be the result. So let's talk about the subscription. This is something a lot of people ask about. How much is it? Is it paid? So I'm telling you, yes, it is paid. But when you do it, you really create something creative and realistic with the AI. So there's no pressure here. This platform really requires credits. Before, it was free, but since they became popular, it's no longer free. Okay, let's go to the pricing. I'll explain the pricing here. So you can see the basic is at $5 per month, but it has limited access. 7 days unlimited. So it's a bit limited when it comes to generations. If you use Seedance on the right side, okay, you have $49 USD, so you get 1,000 credits. If you use Seedance, it's a bit expensive, 160 credits for a 15-second video, but it's really creative, and you can post it on your reels.
So here, you can see 3,000 free generations in Sol V2. And in C-Trim, you also have 365 Unlimited. So it's unlimited free generations there as well. And so on. Okay, so you see here $129 USD. It's 1 month. It will give you 3,000 credits per generation. 1,500 Banana Pro generations, so unlimited, 7 days unlimited Banana Pro, unlimited Banana Pro 2, and so forth. 5,000 unlimited free generations in Sol. So you have a lot you can use when you get this. I just suggest, if you want to try it, there's no pressure. I'm just sharing this because for me, this is the best platform you can use when it comes to short films. So if you want to make something realistic, cinematic, really, when people see it, they think, is this AI? Because it's so realistic, like a director made a film in a studio.
Okay, so that's it. If you want to order a tutorial package, so I created it on Fiverr on my account as a freelancer, and I can provide you with a tutorial package. It includes all the platforms, everything. If you choose premium, it's $125 USD. So everything is there. Tutorial, guide, from how to prompt, how to use the platform, step by step. Okay? So just contact me or order on my profile on Fiverr. That's where I sell my skills about being an AI filmmaker or anything like that. So I regularly post what I want to offer. Now, since Seedance Pro is popular, you can make your movie. You can see a video here that you can check out, see what I did, and here we have the package options I mentioned. That's it, if you want. No pressure. I'm just sharing this because for me, this is the best platform you can use for short films. So if you want to make something realistic, cinematic, really, when people see it, they think, is this AI? Because it's so realistic, like a director made a film in a studio. That's the feel when you use these tools. Okay, thank you for watching. So that's it. If you want to order, go to my Fiverr. I have this account where I sell my skills about AI filmmaking or anything else, so I keep posting what I want to offer. Now, since Seedance Pro is trending, make your movie. You can see a video here that you can read, see what I did, and here we have the packages I mentioned. Just that, if you want. No pressure. And if you buy my tutorial package premium, $125 USD, I'll teach you everything. How to use AI platforms, how to prompt, tags, viral tags, when you post on Facebook or YouTube, how to get views. Okay? That's it. And I'll just share the links to these products if you want them, directly on Fiverr. So if you have an account, you can order from me. Premium, standard, or basic. The basic gives you prompts, the standard gives you tutorials, and the premium gives you the full package tutorial. Everything I teach here in the premium. Okay? Thank you for watching. So please subscribe to Cinema FX Studios. I share and provide knowledge on how to create AI effects and how to produce short films. So once you trust our YouTube channel, thank you for watching.